Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can transfer photos or videos from your iPad to any external storage device like a hard disk or an SSD. So let's begin the video. So in order to transfer photos or videos directly from your iPad to your external hard drive or SSD, the first thing that you need to make sure that your iPad has a Type-C port. So you're going to go to the bottom port where you usually charge your port, and you're going to see this Type-C port. If your iPad has one, then this video will work for you, because this is going to allow you to transfer files directly from your iPad to your external storage device. Now for the storage devices, you can connect an external SSD, an external hard drive, and even a USB pen drive with your iPad to transfer photos or videos. Now most of these devices are going to have a USB type A port, so you need to buy a USB type A to type C converter, which is fairly cheap. And once you have a converter, you can simply connect your USB type A device with the converter, and then you can connect it directly to your iPad. The second thing, you need to make sure that your external hard drive or storage device is formatted in the correct format. Like if I have this external hard drive, then it should be formatted in FAT32 or exFAT if you want to copy files from your iPad and paste them in your external drive. However, if you want to only read files, then NTFS will also work. But if you want to copy files from your iPad to the external storage device, then it should be formatted in exFAT or FAT32. Another thing, you need to make sure that when you are formatting your external drive, make sure to back up your data first. For this example, I am going to be connecting my SSD, which already has a Type-C port. So here on the iPad, before I connect my external device, you need to open the files manager on your iPad. You're going to click on this icon on the top left side, and here it's going to show you the location sections. If it is minimized like this, just expand the location section, and here you're going to see all the devices if they are connected. So I'm going to connect my SSD to my iPad, and it should pop up right here. As you can see, Wasay's SSD, and if I click on it, it's going to show you all the files that are present on your device. Anyways, you can see here is my SSD. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to open the Photos app, and I'm going to select any photos or videos that I want to copy and save to the external drive. Once I have selected them, I'm going to click on the share button. I'm going to click on save to files. I'm going to click on Wasay's SSD, which is my external drive, and just for cleanness, I'm going to click on the new folder icon. I'm going to name it Photos Backup so that everything is neat. I'm going to click on enter. It's going to open the backup folder inside my external hard drive. I'm going to click on save, and you can see that these photos and videos have been saved to my external hard drive. If I go and click on the files folder, open the photos backup folder, you can see that all of these files are present here. So the reason you should copy and save files to an external drive is that maybe your iPhone may get broken accidentally, or it may get stolen. So in that case, you have a copy of your precious photos and videos in an external drive. So yeah guys, in this way you can transfer photos or videos from your iPad to an external hard drive or any other storage device. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.